This video is in support for Big Lou's Barbecue over in Louisiana. As you'll see down here, hashtag cookingforsmiles. You put that hashtag in, do a search, and you'll find other people supporting him also these next few days. Big Lou. 2020 was a tough year for him. And what we're doing for him, for support, we've been saying prayers, thoughts, some communicating with him off and on, and he's just gone through a lot. Between the storms, what's happened with 2020, and losing his wife suddenly. And so we're all putting this together for him. It's kind of touching, I'm sorry. And we're doing tribute cooks. Cook something he cooked or whatever. So what did Papa do? I got some Boudin. I didn't go to it. I got some Boudin King Marketplace by his house because he cooks Boudin a lot. That's his little side dish. So what did Papa do? Papa's got Cajun Boudin, okay? And to add to it, this is because of Chad over there in Jennings, Louisiana. Just went camping with them. He brought me that, and check this one out. Check this out. This is syrup pork sausage. The first time I had it was last weekend when we were camping for 4 days at Lollapalooza. It seriously tastes like sausage with syrup in it. How do you get any better than that? Okay, so in this cook, right after this intro coming up, I'm gonna show you the raw, putting it on the Weber kettle, offset cooking, of course. I'll show you taking it off, and then I'm gonna slice into these babies, show you what it looks like after they're cooked, and I'm gonna show you what the insides look like, because we're gonna talk about this one. If you've never heard of Boudin, and I said, you know, it's spicy. Papa's gonna do spicy for Big Lou. Yeah, Papa don't do too much spice, so we will see. Because we had this Boudin this weekend. I don't know if it was the spicy or not. So that's gonna, you'll want to see that now, don't you? Yeah. All right. Intro and into the cook. Hey folks, it's Papa. Papa Texas. Papa's Kitchen. That's right, we're doing up Boudin sausage and syrup sausage today on the Weber kettle offset. This is gonna be awesome. Stay tuned. You're gonna love it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe to watch more videos and other entertaining videos from Papa, because Papa's mama says he's entertaining. That's right. And you know what PT stands for? People call me PT. It stands for pretty terrific. Yeah. Let's get that kettle going. Let's go. So this is what your Boudin raw is going to look like before you put it on the grill. And then you just go over here. I don't know if you're supposed to open it up. Let's just go ahead and open it up a little bit. Oh. And this here is the syrup sausage. I got 4 of these. We're going to add them right here. And we're going to offset cook on the Weber kettle. Papa just flipped them. Let's take a little gander. Yeah. Them looking awesome. Them looking awesome. Alright. Well, you know what? Let's just zoom in over there on that. Yeah. I was going to sear them, but they don't need it. They don't need it. This is Boudin, people. Boudin. And this is syrup sausage. Alright, we're going to let this cool down, and then Papa's going to cut into them and show you what they look like on the inside of the casing. Yeah. awesome looking? Yes, it is. All right. Thanks, Big Lou. Thanks, Chad. All right, the Boudin and the syrup sausage. We're gonna go with the Boudin first because Boudin, see that? That's like rice and meat. Mm. Oh my. If you have not had that, you oughta. We're going with it one more time. That stuff is awesome. Figure out how to get some Boudin. Boudin. And you're gonna love it. You will. This one right here. This is the syrup sausage. Yeah. Ooh, I still feel. Whew. Alright, that was Boudin spicy. It's coming into me now. But I can handle it. Just like Tom. Yeah. The one thing I love about this sausage with syrup. Alright, that's what I have for you. Don't forget to check out Big Lou. It's Papa Texas. Did I lose something? Papa's Kitchen. See ya.